spirit belong. In a pride and strength, you always shine. Samoa, the heart and soul combine. But roots deep down like tree, them grow. The strength in your heart, it always show. With the breeze and the waves by your side, Samoa, you rise up in pride. Oh, oh, Samoa, you island so strong. Land of the warriors, where your spirit belong. In a pride and strength, you always shine. Samoa, the heart and soul combine. The sun it shine upon you like fire, bringing warmth, lifting you higher. In the storms, you never bow down. Samoa, you wear the strength like a crown. Oh, Samoa, you island so strong. A land of the warriors, where your spirit belong. In a pride and strength, you always shine. Samoa, the heart and soul combine. The heart and soul combine. You people fierce like the mighty sea, guided by faith, forever free. With courage bold, they face each tide. Samoa, forever you stride in pride. Oh, Samoa, you island so strong. The land of the warriors, where your spirit belong. In a pride and strength, you always shine. Samoa, the heart and soul combine. The heart and soul combine. So we sing for your mighty and bright Samoa, island of courage and light. Through the years, your pride reside, island of strength.